Updated method in the latest version. From Android, where we will be explaining everything step by step. What are we going to do to solve this and be able to recover this cell phone in the easiest way and faster, since these phones, what happened? It reset. We reset our phone, but we didn't delete the account that had a phone number, okay? Apart from that, now we're left with that little padlock in the upper left corner. If you click skip and it lets you get to the beginning, that's your case. In this video we're going to explain everything step by step so you can solve it. In order to recover our phone, what we always recommend is watching the video tutorial step by step to the end so you don't miss any details. We're also going to connect to a Wi-Fi network to solve this problem. Let's click here on Start. We select Start. Then it would take us to this section. We're going to click on Skip. We'll press Jump again. Let's press Jump. Then we're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Okay, having said all that, let's connect. We're going to click here to accept and continue. Let's select Accept and Continue, and now it would take us. This section would show what that screen lock is. A screen lock that we previously had on our phone will appear. But hey, what happened? We changed that screen lock, we put in a really hard one. But after a while he had already forgotten, but let's say you. If you remember that screen lock, you can also recover this phone without watching the full video tutorial. You just need to add this lock that it will ask you for here. And it would give you access and take you directly to the home page. Here it asks you, since we forgot. We're going to click here where it says, Use my Google account. Selecting Use my Google account, here will take you where it will appear. That Google account, what's going to happen here? Well, now what we're going to do is, what we need to do is go to the PC and download a tool that we will be using. Using this video tutorial, if you are the kind of person who knows. You add the email, click Next, and it will take you directly to the home page. Then let's explain it to him. The rest of the steps on the PC, the first thing we're going to do is run our antivirus. While we are here, we click on this shield that appears here. We click where it says Manage Settings. And this first option must be disabled. Note, it must be deactivated. Then we're going to go to the browser, and in the browser we're going to you're going to write in Google exactly as it appears here on the screen. You're going to write it exactly as it appears here on the screen. You write, then you're going to scroll down here, you're going to find what this entry is about. You're going to click on it and then it will take you to this section. What are you going to do? You'll be able to find many functions here. You're going to scroll down, then you click where it says, Load More or See More. You give it the same option and then it will take you to this or another section, you're going to select it. Once you're here, you'll start going down. As you scroll down, you'll find many features here. You'll also find many tools here, which will tell you what you're going to do. You're going to look for this tool, which is the one we'll be using today. When you extract it, you will find what is an AT. It will ask for a password, which you can find here. Then we extract, download. Then we'll leave after extracting it. You're going to double-click it, something like this will appear, you're going to right-click it. You run it as administrator, then you say yes. Now you'll have to wait for the tool to open completely. Here you're going to click here where it says Get Free License. Now something like this will open for you. You're going to click here, generate a license, and then you're going to wait here, you're going to wait here, and that's it. You're going to click here where it says generate. Here you click copy, then delete. Then you glue. You're going to paste it and then click here to activate. Here it is validating, here it says successfully activated. Now that we're here, what are we going to do? We're going to select Media. We selected Mediate to find the drives. RS, you'll be able to find the drivers here. They will also be able to download these drivers. So we select Motorola here. So what do? We select our model, we select the model here. The phone must be switched off, it is already switched off. So we click here on remove. Now what are we going to do? We will connect the phone when it shows the charging logo. We press the power button, we're going to press it, we're going to wait. Now we press for 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds and release. They know they have to count to 4 seconds and release the power button. Now you see here that the operation was completed successfully. Let's see, sometimes it happens that the first one doesn't work. Let's wait and see, sometimes the first try doesn't work. Sometimes the second time, because it has happened to me before. I've already tried it, and sometimes it works the first time, or it usually works the second time. Let's see if this time he'll finally delete that Google account. But when we do these recoveries, sometimes some errors remain. How we correct these errors, pay close attention. Here we can see that we still have the little padlock left. Let's explain it to him, let's show him we still have the padlock. Here we have the padlock because the account has not yet been deleted. The Google account hasn't been deleted yet, let's wait. Let's click here, we'll click on skip. Here we click on jump. We go back and the option to skip appears, so we're going to do it again. We're going to do it a second time, we're going to unplug it. We disconnected it, we're going to do the same process. Then we click on remove again. Now we insert the cable, we wait for it to show the charging logo. When the charging logo appears, we will press the power button. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we can see that the operation has now worked out for us. Again successful, now that it would be restarting for the second time. It did finish in the first one, and now it's finished here in the second one too. Finally, we'll disconnect it as we've indicated several times, this often happens. That we still have some errors. How do we correct mistakes if we solve what this recovery was? We'll explain the mistakes at the end of the video. We're going to explain all these errors to him. What we're going to do now, we're going to wait. We'll wait here. Let's wait here, we'll click here on skip. Pay close attention, we'll wait here, we'll click jump again here. Here we're going to click where it says continue offline. This time it did give us the option. If you see that this time it did offer the option to continue offline. Let's click accept here, we'll click accept. We click on jump again. We click on skip, next, next, next. Next, we're going to click finish here. We're going to finalize this option. What are we going to do now? We're going to go ahead with the adjustment. Then we'll talk about the phone and reset it. our device so that it is free of